Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. FTX Exchange is good exchange. You can withdraw BTC, okay, and Ethereum in zero fee. Okay, this is also a good exchange in the world, and you can do it futures trading, spot trading on, and it's also FTX token, as you will see here, FTT. You can stake its token for discount, transaction fee, everything. Okay, and I welcome new members to register their accounts using this referral link. This referral link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, when you use this referral link, okay, you will get bonus and discount on every transaction. Okay, if you are doing on to trading or just buy selling or just okay any other transactions, you can discount when you are using this referral link. This referral link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, most welcome new referrals. Thanks. Okay, today I am showing you something is very common error onto FTX exchange. Many new investors or traders are confusing how to get rid of this error. Okay, this error occur in which time? Okay, I am telling the situation. As you will see here, this is the screenshots of that error. Okay, first I am showing you the error. As you will see here, error, this type of error, not enough balance. Okay, and my current balance, as you will see here, $250 is available. As you will see here, maximum 250 USDT is available and it's enough. But here is showing an error. Which error? Not enough balance. Why? When you apply withdraw in any currency, USDT, BTC, this error will occur. Not enough balance and you cannot withdraw. Okay, and second error, second type of error, this error, account needs, okay, this error, as you will see here, account needs to have positive USD balances when you apply to withdraw. Okay, and this error when occur, same error occurring when you apply withdraw, or as you will see here, I am creating another account and the name of account, okay, in sub account. Into FTX exchange you can create sub accounts. Okay, if I am creating, just I am creating sub account and I want to transfer main account balance into this account, okay, minimum 50 USD or all balance, but same error occur. You cannot transfer, you cannot withdraw, you cannot transfer your amount into sub accounts. Okay, this error occur. And final thing, as you will see here, and I am applying for withdrawal of BTC. Okay, and my balance is 250 USD, and after converting into BTC, then I want to withdraw this amount from BTC. Okay, when I apply to withdraw, everything is correct, but same error occur. But here is showing something warning. This may result in your borrowing up to 0.000 BTC. And the FTX exchange also telling you why this error occur. As you will see here, and FTX exchange is also telling you why this error occur. This error occur because your balance in a borrowing. You will borrow, lend. In other words, you can tell loan when you are doing margin trading into FTX exchange, or spot margin trading or margin trading. Okay, then this error occur after your minimum balance. Okay, or maybe you are lend or borrowing some BTC during margin trading, but you will not return that borrow amount. Okay, so this error occur, and you have disabled your borrowing. Okay, you have disabled your spot margin trading. How to enable this? See here. Now I am telling the solution. First I told you the error, which error showing, and second I told you why this error come. Okay, this error due to borrowing. Okay, and I have also told you the reason. Final, now I am telling the solution of this error, how to remove or get rid of this error, and you can withdraw successfully or transfer your amount into another sub account into FTX exchange. As you will see here, here is showing what, if you will click settings area into FTX exchange, as you see here, here is this option, spot margin. Spot margin trading is currently disabled for your account. Please note that by enabling spot margin, you will automatically take out of borrows. Okay, same, and told you take out of borrows for any negative balances you have, and you will be unable to disable spot margin trading margin until you return them. Okay, as you will see here, you must click here, enable this. After enabling, then you can withdraw and you can transfer your amount into sub accounts into FTX exchange and to get rid of that error. Okay, I have already enabled it. Just I am showing you the solution of this error. Okay, Okay, I am also opening the FTX exchange. Okay, click here, type FTX exchange and open it. Okay, after opening it, now click here. As you can see here, click here user. Okay, after clicking this user, and you will find here this option, spot margin. Spot margin trading is currently enabled for your account. View borrows, view lending. If you want to disable it, click here to disable. Okay, before that it's disabled, so this error occurs. As you will see here, as you will seeing in onto the screenshot, it's disabled before that when I am applying for withdrawal. After enabling it, then this error removed and I have done my withdrawal successfully. As you will see here, if I am clicking here view borrows, it's margin trading. As you will see here, here is borrows amount, borrow history. When its balance is negative, then it's okay. And if I am go back and click here view lending, as you will see here, it's your lending area. Okay, when borrow and lending, okay, borrow amount, it's negative. Negative means dues on you during margin trading. Then okay, and your when it will due, when your spot margin trading is disabled, off. Okay, you must then enable it, then you can do successful withdrawals and you can transfer your amount into sub accounts into FTX exchange. Okay, I hope you will understand this successfully. Okay, everything you will understand onto here, just enable it. Okay, the solution is this. I have already enabled it. When I am clicking again here to disable, okay, and I am also showing you my withdrawal. Today I have applied withdrawal. After enabled it, my withdrawal successfully completed. Okay, just I am clicking here withdrawals. Okay, I am checking you onto the history. Click here history. Okay, here after clicking history and check it now, click here to withdrawals. Here as you will see here, today my withdrawals 250 USD equal to 0.00 BTC is completed successfully after enabling that option. Okay, this is the transaction ID, complete, and status as you will see here, complete. Okay, why? Because my spot trading spot margin trading is disabled at that time. After enabling, and everything you can do about withdrawals and transfer amount another sub account. Okay, I hope you will understand everything. Okay, and